Hi, my name is Rome, and this year, I decided to build a creative agency from scratch. Yes, tama yung narinig mo. Without any fancy equipments, tools, or cameras, just maximizing yung resources na meron na ako ngayon, which is yung laptop and iPhone na gamit ko ngayon. Maybe right now, iniisip mo, possible ba to? Hindi ba yan masyadong risky? Actually, one of the reason na nag-hold back sa akin bakit hindi ko pa na-start to last year is the reason of having no enough resources. Wala akong equipment, wala akong camera. But these people na nagtiwala sa akin, tulungan sila sa content creation. Kahit nag-start lang akong nangihiram ng phone, ng mic. And despite of this situation, I was able to work alongside entrepreneurs, visionaries, and help them turn their visions to life. They helped me realize na it's okay to start where you are, use what you have, just do what you can. Ang mahalaga, nag-start ka. This could be a very challenging journey for me, but this year, I decided to go deeper, help as many entrepreneurs and visionaries as possible, and bring their visions to life. So this is where my journey begins. Stay tuned for more.